So I decided to do the water pump due to the fact that there's a pretty bad leak right there. And you have to take the pulley off right here. Bracket, you gotta get some bolts way down in there. There's some bolts. There's like a bolt right there, and there's like a bolt a little farther up. There's quite a few bolts. You take all this off. Now, I can't get it off because I don't know I'm gonna have to, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trim this bolt right here so I can get it off, because there's just not enough room to get it off. So this bolt right here, I had to shorten it with the oscillating tool. And then also this pulley right here, before you can get this pump off, you have to pull this out. So you have to maneuver, somehow you have to maneuver the pump in such a way that you can pull this thing off. I know it says in the book that this comes off with the pump, but it doesn't, according to the way I did it. I had to literally just force this thing off because it would not release this bolt, even though I shortened it. Even though I shortened this bolt right here, it wouldn't come off this bolt. It stays on this bolt and those two, on these two bolts back here. Where are they? Those two. And so it's like a fight between these two bolts right here and this one. But if you can get this thing off, pump will come right off. As far as that downpipe part right there, I had to cut with a grinder cut-off wheel. And then I was able to just hammer off the pieces. The pipe is kind of disintegrated inside, but the new pump comes with a new O-ring. That O-ring doesn't really seem to do anything. It's not really tight enough. But I filled it with RTV sealant, so hopefully it'll once it dries, it'll be good. Yeah, I don't know what I'll do if this thing starts leaking, because that O-ring didn't seem to fit too tightly in there.